Today we are going to discuss causes of economic problem. In previous video I explained economic problem is the problem of making a choice. Now why does an economic problem arise? Here the question arises, why does an economic problem arise? Economic problem arises due to unlimited wants, limited resources. Wants differ in urgency and resources have alternative uses. These four we have to understand one by one. Number one is unlimited wants. As we all know, human wants are unlimited. No one can satisfy his all want at a time. So we have to make priority which want we can fulfill first and which want can be fulfilled later. As our one want satisfy, another will crop up. One cannot satisfy even one particular want for all the time. Human wants also go on increasing with the expansion of education, advancement, and economic growth. So, the satisfaction of all these wants is not possible. Now, come to second point, limited resources. As we all know, resources are limited. We cannot satisfy our all want at a time. There would have been no economic problem if all resources are unlimited to satisfy our wants. If everything is available in abundance, as air and sunshine, there would have hardly been any need for economic activities and economics. But this is not the reality of life. In the real world, means are limited in relation to wants. These means are known as economic resources, and because of their limited availability, they attract a price. This is equally applicable for the householder as well as for a country. A householder has a large number of wants concerning food, shelter, clothes, health, education, etc. But his income is limited to satisfy all the wants. Similarly, a country requires food, houses, means of irrigation, roads, railways, cars, buses, trucks, ships, raw materials, minerals, machines, tools, defense equipment, education, health facilities, and many more things. But the resources, that is factor of production required to produce these various goods and services, are scarce. Here, scarcity means limited availability of resources in relation to demand. It is because of scarcity of means in relation to wants that every economy is confronted with the problem of choice. Which wants are to be satisfied on higher priority with the limited resources. Now come to wants differ in urgency. Number third point, wants differ in urgency. All human wants are not equally important. For every individual, some wants are more important and more urgent than the other. For example, a pen can give more utility during examination. So the priority for pen in exam will be more as compared to other time. So according to priority, we can fulfill our wants. Some wants can be fulfilled and some wants can be postponed. So every person can arrange all his wants in an order of preference. Now come to resources have alternative uses. Resources or means are not only limited but can put to alternative uses. For example, there is a plot of land. This plot of land can be used for making a playground, for construction of school, construction of building, for farming purpose. It can be converted into a shopping center. So its implication is that a resource can be used at a time for only one purpose. It cannot be made use of for other purpose. So an economy faced with the problem of choice. Every person, if he has limited resources, he will have a problem of making a choice. He has to make a choice, and the problem of choice between alternative uses that can be produced with these resources.